Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create a donate UI, a simple frame where players can donate Robux to support you. So let's get started. Now the next step is to create the UI for the donate UI. We need to add a button to open close the frame and, of course, the frame itself. Now let's start designing the frame and then the button. Make sure to arrange all the elements properly inside starter GUI and double check that everything is positioned the same way in your setup. At the end, I will show you the final UI structure inside Starter GUI, so you can verify that your setup matches mine. Now that we're almost finished, let me show you how the UI structure should look inside Starter GUI. You will see that inside Screen GUI, which in our case is called Donate UI, there is a donate frame and the text button. Now that we finished creating the UI, we need to add the local script inside the text button, which you can name the script open/close if you'd like. If you don't want to manually copy the script from me, you can find it in the description, so you can just copy it from there and paste it in your script. Now that we finished writing the script, we can close the script editor and move on to the next step. But before testing, we need to disable the visibility of donate frame so that it's hidden when the game starts. And once that's done, we can test the game to make sure everything is working exactly as intended. And as we can see, the button works perfectly without any issues. Now the next step is to make the frame visible again, and once the donate frame is visible, we need to add the text button inside it. This button will act as the actual donation button, which you can customize the button however you like to match your UI design. After creating the button, you can rename it to something like maybe donate 5, let's say, to indicate the amount being donated. And next, we need to add a local script inside the donate 5 button, which this script is essential as it will handle the donation process and ensure that the transaction is properly initialized. For this step, we need to create our own developer product. First, we need to publish the game by going to settings and selecting publish to Roblox. Once the game is published, go back to settings, then navigate to monetization and scroll down until you find developer products. Now create a new developer product and name it Donate 5, setting the price to 5 Robux. And after creating the developer product, return to settings, go back to the same monetization section and locate the product you just created. Click on the three dots next to it and select Copy ID. And now we can return to the script and paste the copied ID right here. Now, we will add 3 more donation buttons. If you like, you can add them too. So, to do this, simply duplicate the existing button, rename it to match the donation amount. For example, donate 10, donate 25, donate 50, and then create a new developer product for each new button. Once you have their developer product IDs, replace the old ID in each button script with a new corresponding ID. This way, players will have multiple donation options and your donation system will be fully functional. Now that everything is complete, we can test the game to make sure everything works fine. As you can see, everything works perfectly. Thank you to everyone who stayed until the end of the video, and if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like on the video. See you in a few days with a new tutorial.